Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are doing well. I just wanted to hop in here quick and give kind of a short intro and address some things about this video and prior and future videos. So the first thing I wanted to address was, while watching these clips back, I am aware that the camera angle isn't ideal. I know it's slightly tilted, so I am aware of that. This should be the only video that I have coming out where it'll be like this. This is my first day running a dozer ever, and I needed to get these two lots kind of tidied up, so I didn't have really a lot of time to mess around with different angles and how things looked. I was kind of aware when I was filming this that, it might not be the best, but I still wanted to get some footage for you guys because it's been a while. I'm finally in a position where I will be operating a bit more, so I wanted to take kind of full advantage of the time when I am in these pieces of equipment. So like I said, this is addressed in future videos. I'll have more outside footage, time lapse, and a more horizontal or landscape angle when shooting like this outside the cab. So if you aren't able to watch this all the way through, I totally get it. I still figured I would post it just because some people might find enjoyment out of it still, but just know I am aware of it, and it should be fixed in future videos. So the second thing I wanted to talk about was, just like in the excavator footage I posted before this, I am still new to the industry, and this is my very first time ever running a dozer. And just like in that video, it was my first time running an excavator of that size, so bear with me. I know I'm not going to be the fastest or smoothest, and I'm not claiming to be, and that's not the reason for posting this content. I'm strictly doing it because I love what I do, and I want to share that with others, and share my journey, and hopefully inspire others to get into something of the same caliber, as well as showcase what the company I work for does. So if you're looking for, a master operator to watch, I'm probably not going to be that guy. But I still hope my content can be enjoyable and I can get to that point, one day. And as always, I love feedback too, so feel free to comment things down below if you have any tips and tricks. And the last thing I wanted to talk about quickly is what's happening in the video. So basically, we just finished backfilling the inside of 2 slab-on-grade homes in this development, and the lots they're sitting on were really short on dirt. So me and another guy in the 239 skid loader that are in this video are rough grading and bulking dirt around these 2 lots, getting them as close to final grade ready as we can for how wet the clay is. We probably hauled in a few hundred yards of material on site from a large stockpile we have, and you probably can see in this video we have one truck that's loading himself and then dumping the material for me to push to the areas we need dirt, and then the skid is coming behind and doing more of the fine detail stuff. So that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.